Hello, so today we're taking a look at two pairs of Nike Mercurial Vapor 1 remakes. One is the real pair, one isn't. This is just to help you at home if you are trying to authenticate your pair. So I must emphasize, it does not support the counterfeit industry in any way. It's just to help you at home purchase a retail pair because they're going for a lot of money and they're extremely rare. So you want to make sure you're getting the real deal. So let's start the comparison. The real one obviously comes in this very cool old school box, as you can see here. And here is a look at the label. Got these in a size UK 10, so you can just pause the screen here and check your label at home. Make sure it looks exactly like this. Then if we open these up, you do get a boot bag with these. It looks like this. It's a silver with the old Nike logo in the middle as well. And then here are the boots. Come on, check these out. Absolutely incredible pair. So we'll take these out. It must be noted, it does come with a hang tag saying that they are pair number 428 out of 4,500. However, I kind of clipped it off when I was unboxing them for TikTok, but it should be attached to the boots. And then here is the fake pair. Comes bubble wrap, no box, so we'll open these up. Slide these out. They also come in kind of this plastic bag. So rip them out here. And here is your first look at a real and fake pair. Hopefully this video helps you. Let's get straight into the comparison. So the first difference to note, the retail one comes dead stock laced all the way to the top, ready to be worn straight out of the box. The fake one, however, they did not do this. As you can see, they have not pre-laced it at all. And the shape of it is all over the place. It looks like it's been crushed to pieces. Look at that heel. It is absolutely morphed. Inside this pair, you actually do get a boot bag, but it's just a plain black Nike boot bag. It's nothing too special, and you don't get this with the real pair. So another major difference is just the general shape of the boot. At the toe box area, look how wide it is, the toe box on the fake one compared to the retail one. The retail one, it's meant to be a speed boot. It's meant to have a sleek look to it and look like you can run fast in it. The fake one is way too chunky, and yeah, it is completely wrong. One other major difference between the two pairs is the sole plates. This is the retail one. I actually think the retail one is actually a little bit boring. It's just grey all over with obviously the Volt studs. The fake one, they've gone for black at the back, which I'm not too sure why. It is completely wrong. It shouldn't have any black on the sole plate at all, apart from in this air zoom pocket here. But as you can see, huge differences between the two sole plates. When looking at the two uppers, there is actually a difference. So if I show you the retail one here and I push in, it bounces straight back. It is incredibly soft, but it also has a little bit of kind of durability and structure to the boot. However, on the fake one, this is the upper. I push in. Yeah, it doesn't bounce back. It's just maybe a little bit too soft. Yeah, it's not high quality at all. If we look at the outside of the retail one here and you see these indented lines waving around the side of the boot here, you'll see they actually are very indented on the outside, give a distinct pattern to this Mercurial. If we look at the fake one below, it does have the lines, but they're not very indented. It's very light on top. And yeah, it's not done as well as it is on the retail pair. Also, that shape from the side is very clear to see. So because this was limited to 4,500 pairs, the actual stitching quality on the outside is very good. They look like they've taken their time with this pair. It's very high quality on my pair in particular. However, look at the fake one. If we look on the outside here, look how badly the stitching is. It's just all over the place. They've not taken their time. They've just messed up. So a major update to the retail pair is the shape of the ankle. As you can see, it's a lot wider at the ankle here. It's actually to be a lot more comfy than the original, because the original ones cause a lot of blisters, and I have to say it does work a little bit better. However, the fake one, the ankle is completely wrong with the shape of it, and yeah, not sure these are going to be too comfy at all. Let's take a look inside the boots. So the retail one comes with a paper shoe treat on the inside, as you can see here. The fake one does not, it only came with that boot bag. Now we take out the insole, and we'll take out the insole of the retail one. So the insoles actually look relatively same. There's a bit of a colour difference and a bit of a pattern difference. However, the difference is the actual firmness of the insole. So the fake one here is just incredibly flimsy. Yeah, it's incredibly thin. The retail one, look, it actually bounces back. It's quite sturdy. And if we take a look at the colour difference on the other side, you should be able to see a little bit of a colour difference. But this one's a little bit thicker and firmer compared to this one, which is very flimsy. And then if we look inside the boot, hopefully you can see this, but there's the inside of the boot of the retail one, and if we look at that, and compare it to the fake one is very different on the inside. It's green on the inside. It looks like it's trying to attempt to have an air zoom pocket, but I don't know how comfy that is. It's just very different on the inside, and the stitching on this one is incredibly messy on the inside. But that is the end of this comparison. Hopefully this video has helped you if you're trying to purchase a retail pair of these, because they're incredibly rare, incredibly expensive, but also incredibly nice. Thanks for watching. Hope you have an amazing day.